Hello everyone, welcome to Payment Tech Media. In previous videos, we talked about IP version 4 classes. In this video, we will have a quick summary of these classes and how many available IP addresses we can have per class using their default subnet mask. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, so for class A, we have 8 bits for the network, which gives us the default subnet mask of 255.0.0.0. And it gives us, for every network, we can have up to 16,777,214 available IP addresses. We talked about the number of hosts is 2 to the power of host bits minus 2. So for class A, we have 8 network bits. Therefore, it gives us 24 host bits. So in class B, we have 16 network bits. And the default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. And the available IP address is 65,534, which we have 16 host bits as well. So 2 to the power of 16 minus 2, 65,534 for every network. And then class C, we have 24 network bits, which the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and which is 254 available IP addresses, and it gives us 8 host bits, because 24 plus 8, 32, 16 plus 16, 32, 8 plus 24, 32, and again IP version 4 we have 32 bits. And if we quickly go over the ranges for class A, we talked about 1 to 127, which again 127 it's reserved for loopback, it's better to write down 126. For class B, range goes from 128 to 191, because class C is 192 in the first octet, and it goes to 223 because class D, which we talked about mainly for multicast purposes, range goes from 224 to 239. And then class E, scientific research purposes, 240 to 255, the range. So when we see IP address, let's say 183.19.21.56. So this IP address, what class this is? 183 falls into what range? Class B, between 128 to 191. So 183 is class B, and class B default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. And the network address for this IP address would be 183.19.0.0 according to the default subnet mask. And in every network we can have up to 65,534 available IP addresses in this network based on this subnet mask. So we have 16 bits for network, 16 bits for host. An example of class B, because of 183, looking at the first octet, we can tell if this is class A, B, C, D, or E. Just remember, class A, B, and C, we have the subnet mask. Class D for multicast purposes, and then class E for scientific and research purposes. Previously, we talked about all these classes and using their default subnet mask. In the next video, we will talk about classless IP addressing. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, and to see more tech videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again and have a good day.